Have you ever tried to download an app and gotten an annoying message that it is not available in your region? This happens when your Apple ID's country doesn't match the region of the app store you're browsing. Here's how to fix it easily. First, let's confirm your Apple ID's current region. Go to Settings, tap your Apple ID banner at the top, tap Media and Purchases, then View Account. Tap Country or Region. This screen will show you what region your account is currently set to. Note this region as it is the source of the mismatch. Now, we'll change it to the correct region. Before you do, make sure to read the on-screen warnings about subscriptions and account balance. On the country or region screen, tap Change Country or Region. Select the correct country for the app store you want to use, review and agree to the new terms and conditions. Fill in a valid payment method and a billing address that is in the new country. You must use a valid address for that country. Tap Next to confirm the change. Your iPhone should now automatically update the App Store to the new region. Go back to your home screen and open the App Store. Search for the app that previously gave you an error. Tap the download button. The app should now download and install without any region errors. If you need to switch back, just repeat the same process.